दिल्ली के लोधी रोड स्थित इंडियन इंटरनेशनल सेंटर में टाइफेक अपना 34वां स्थापना दिवस मनाया। इस दौरान उन्होंने टाइफेक द्वारा पाई गई उपलब्धियां गिनाई कि किस तरीके से टाइफेक भारत को आत्मनिर्भर भारत के लिए प्रौद्योगिकी, नवाचार और अर्थव्यवस्था में किस तरीके से मदद करती रही है। भारत को आत्मनिर्भर बनाने के लिए, भारत की टेक्नोलॉजी अर्थव्यवस्था को मजबूत करने के लिए टाइफेक ने सबसे बड़ा योगदान निभाया है। अपनी उपलब्धियां गिनाते हुए भारत के पूर्व राष्ट्रपति एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम की भी बात करी कि उन्होंने किस तरीके से टाइफेक की शुरुआत करी और भारत को एक नई मजबूती दी। अब टाइफेक और भी इन सब चीज़ों पर निवेश कर रहा है। आत्मनिर्भर भारत पर टाइफेक लगातार निवेश कर रहा है और भारत को मजबूत दिशा देने के लिए अपने कदम आगे की ओर बढ़ा रहा है।
As we said, it's about think tank, and so I'm so delighted that we have so many committed, deep minds with us today. Dr. V.K. Saraswat, Dr. Vijay Chothaiwale, of course, the director, Professor Srivastav, Sanjay Singh, and the whole family committed to TIFEX purpose and its activities, which indeed have been very many. TIFEC activities, we were to take stock and the instrument and stuff is now being used. So now policy on infrastructure simply means the
placed by and request our Chairman Governing Council, TIFAC, Dr. V.K. Saraswat to kindly which is an opportunity for Shramik's and MSMEs, and we look forward for facilitation of. Thank you, sir. We have a small video from one of the MSME across India. In fact, we started with a couple of states and couple of districts in India, to mention within Uttar Pradesh in Varanasi and Mumbai in Maharashtra. But then we are trying to extend it for Pan-India. This is a portal which directly connects the MSMEs and Shramiks for their job placement. This has an inherent strength of use of AI as a tool and use of big data analysis for the placement of the Shramiks in the vicinity of their native origin. We have also tried to do the skill proficiency analysis for the Shramiks, which is based on a WhatsApp bot chat with the Shramik, wherein the Shramik enters into a WhatsApp number through a word hi or hello, and then
has become a new normal after the COVID-19 hit. And this is going to help a lot of laborers across the country to synergize the available energy of the labor force with the knitwear industry, and it has become a capital for knitwear produce of the entire country. So in which the labor appetite would be always there all through the years.